Hello everyone. Have you ever wondered how ice melts, why iron rusts, or what makes salt dissolve in water? Let us start decoding the wonders of nature. In this video, we are going to explore the science behind these transformations, which is physical changes and chemical changes. Imagine you have just bought a brand new car. It's shiny and perfect. But time passes by and slowly the car starts to lose its original shine and look. You're worried about the change in look? You decide to give the car a fresh new look. So you decide to paint it. But here is something to think about. What kind of change is this? A physical change or a chemical change? Yes, this is only a physical change. Why? Because in this case, you just sprayed the car and it returned to its original color. The car itself has not become something new, has it? It's just like wearing a different outfit. Now imagine this. One cold night, the entire car gets covered by snow. Now, its outfit has changed again. You're more worried about it now. You decide to take it to the mechanic and check what happened to the car. But when you come and see the car the next day in the afternoon, you witness that the sun is shining bright and it's hot. And surprisingly, the snow is all melted and the car is looking crystal clear. You wonder what made the car get back its original outfit? You then realize that it was just the snow that had covered the car. And when the temperature increased, the snow that covered the car melted, leaving behind the original color of the car. Is this a chemical reaction? Of course not, because snow has just melted and evaporated, but the composition is still H2O, just a different form. Also, the car did not take any new form. Therefore, melting is also another physical change because the substance itself has not changed, even if its state has. Now, another day, the car is parked in front of the house. A speeding bike hits the car. The bike hits the car and the car gets a dent. Is the car a new substance? Of course not. This is another physical change. If you hammer it out, the car will look good as new. Days pass by and the car gets older. The car is left out in the rain. It starts to rust. This is a chemical change. The iron in the car reacts with oxygen to form iron oxide, a brand new substance. You can't just unrust the car. This change is permanent. Now, another day, disaster strikes and the car sets on fire. The metal in the car reacts violently with oxygen, creating ash and smoke. This is another chemical change because here the car isn't just melting, it's transforming into an entirely new material. Finally, the burnt car gets crushed into a tiny cube. But guess what? Is this a physical change? The metal is bent and squashed, but it has not become a new substance. If you had a magic uncrusher, you could actually reshape it. Now, a few situations will be shown. Carefully look at them and try to guess if they are physical or chemical changes. Crushing a paper, burning a candle, breaking a glass, a rotting fruit, baking a cake, kneading the dough, breaking an egg, boiling an egg. So, remember, physical changes are like makeovers. Same substance, new look. But chemical changes are reinventions, new substances with new identities. Now, look around you. Can you spot physical or chemical changes in your world? Drop your examples in the comments and don't forget to like and subscribe for more science adventures. Thank you.